Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Story Time for the week of February 5th, 2023, Part 2. This week's theme is snow. Snowy Race by April Jones Prince, illustrated by Christine Davignier. Today's the day. She's on her way. Flurry, flurry. Hurry, hurry. Growing flakes, quick hotcakes. Whirl of snow, off we go. I finally get to help. Snowflakes start to tumble down. Snowplow starts to head for town. Wintry wind brings snowy showers. Trusty motor hums with power. Snow is blowing, falling fast. Slip, slide, what a blast! Will we win the snowy race? Frosty crystals chase and spin. Snowplow shifts and tunnels in. Beating, pounding, pushing, mounding. Whistling, howling, climbing, growling, we plow with all our might. Suddenly, a quiet spell. Almost there, we whoop and yell. Cloudy skies have more in store. I scoot, then scramble out the door. Flurry, flurry, hurry, hurry. One race done, another begun. The end. Okay, so we're going to make a picture with a snowplow and some snow. What you'll need is some glue. This little blue thing I have is a glue spreader. You just use it like this. You could also use a paintbrush or even possibly a craft stick. And you'll need some crayons, markers, color pencils, whatever you want to color with. And then your craft to go kit, which includes sparkle snow, and you can see it's just in the bag. It's glitter and salt. And then also in there is a little snowplow, just like in our story. So what we're gonna do is we're going to zip up the sparkle snow for now, because we're gonna do that last. First thing we're gonna do is color our snowplow, and I'm gonna make mine red just like in the story. And we'll just color the whole thing, and then once we're done with that, we'll do the sparkle snow. Okay, and we'll just finish up coloring. I always get it outside the lines and on the table and stuff, which is why I moved the picture that the paper that we're going to put the picture on off the tray. And that's something I forgot to mention earlier. I did get a tray. You might want to get a tray or something, because when you sprinkle the snow on, it's going to be a bit messy. So that's it. I'm just going to put my last crayon away. And the next thing we're going to do is glue. And I made these. You want this part to be the big part. This is the blue for the sky. And you want the smaller part to be the snow. And this is where the plow's pushing it up. So I'm just going to put a bunch of glue on here. Like this. Try to keep it inside the line as much as you can. Okay, so that's enough glue. Now I'm going to take my spreader or whatever I wanted to use, and just kind of move this around so that it's covering all kinds of stuff. And I see how I'm getting it on the tray here. That's another reason you put down something. A piece of paper would work too, but the tray will hold the excess of the sparkle snow. So I'm going to keep my hill here, and I'm going to put this here like this, and I'm going to go ahead and open up my sparkle snow. Take some in my fingers, and I'm just going to sprinkle it around. Let it come through your fingers. And there should be more than enough. You can probably do other projects with it if you like. And you just gotta shake it off. Kind of shake it around there. Shake it off. And then the last thing you're going to do is you're going to glue your snowplow onto the picture. Works best if your glue is open. Remember, you don't need too much glue to get this to stick. I'm just going to turn it around here. And you can see my snowplow is plowing the snow. And that's the end.